Hey everyone, in this video I'll be transforming into Coraline. Let's get to it. I'm also going to try to do this video without stopping and starting my recording again because it takes a long time to edit, so let's see what happens. Now, I'm just going to draw her jacket here, so I'm always just looking off a reference. That's my best tip to anyone who wants to do this. Now, she has like a little hood on, so I'm trying to draw the hood and then the little folds of the jacket. Then I just take my yellow and I'm going to go in and fill all that in. Now I'm also taking some brown face paint. All of these paints are from the Mehron palette, which I will show you in a moment. So just go in, make some outlines, take a little dance break if you need, and then I'm gonna start to do the detailing now. So she has two little drawstrings that would, be right by the hood. So same thing, just look at a little photo here. You can do the drawstrings however you want, and then you're just gonna go ahead and basically just fill those in. Now more detailing here, we're gonna make the little buttons, so two little circles on each side, and now I'm just filling the rest of it in with my yellow face paint. And there's the Mehron palette, which I'm showing you here. It has all the colors you need, so you can always mix colors. So I mixed yellow and white, and I have myself a softer yellow that I'm going to use for some highlighting. Now, where should you place the highlighting? You can place it anywhere you want. Just look at a photo. I don't really have, a guide of where I'm placing it. I'm just kind of randomly putting down some highlighting there because, I'm not a pro. Now I'm going to go back in and do even more detailing, so I'm just kind of making, the little stitching on the drawstring, and there's some stitching on the sides of her arms, and then right around those little collars you're going to go into with some white, and just, just randomly put some highlighting, put some shading around, and you'll be fine. This is what I'm talking about here, the little stitching there. Just go around, put those little stitches, and, it'll give it some detail. Now I'm going in with some white eyeshadow to make those areas that we used with the lighter yellow kind of stand out a little bit more. Now, my best tip for the shading here, I'm just going around the areas where the highlighted areas are, so it kind of gives a little bit of depth and make the highlighted areas pop out. But my best tip here is to go in with a light brown eyeshadow and then build your way up to a darker one. So start with light, go in with a medium brown eyeshadow, and just kind of go along the tips, which I'm just doing right there, and then build yourself up gradually to a black or a dark brown eyeshadow. I'm just going in with some more white, and now I'm just kind of putting some little areas where I think there would be some highlights, and I think that kind of makes the look pop just a little bit more. I'm going in with orange and red, and I'm just going to make stripes all the way down, and then just put some shading. And look at that, I am happy as a clam. Now onto the face. I have some brown contacts here. Her face is, it's pretty basic. She doesn't have a lot of makeup. She's just a little kid. So I just put on some brown eyeshadow in the corners of my eyes and then just did my brows. We're putting on some freckles, so just use that brown face paint, put it on your cheeks. I just put a little bit of highlighter on the nose. You can do this if you want, and then just put more freckles over your nose. For the lips, I just have Vegas Volts from MAC, and I'm just putting on lots of mascara. And for the hair, you can use any water-based paint and just cover your hair in it, or if you want, get a wig. Then I have her little dragon clip there, and that little rock that she looks through so she can see everything. And there you go. Thumbs up for that. Woohoo! You are Coraline. Thanks again for watching, guys. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.